I was on an IPD panel last week actually, and one of the locations that was mentioned by a competitor of ours was in fact Turkey, which I don't think was greeted with that much enthusiasm. I think it was more just as an alternative idea. Rather than geography, I'm going to say pre-let development funding. At the moment, I think if you're in the right markets with the right development pipeline, I think you're getting paid extremely well for risks that can be eminently managed and quantified. And you're getting a premium on stabilised stock, which is already looking like good value. So that's where I would go.
Okay.
Right across Western and Central Europe.
Right, so across Europe, okay.
Poland is interesting. We like Poland very much. They've done their homework, and I think it's definitely time to catch up with some opportunities within the logistics sector. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think Germany is big enough for a 500 million ticket. There are enough of opportunities if you like risk-averse returns. And yeah, that would be my proposal.
Okay.
Would be our second fund.
If I had 500 million to invest in the next 6 months, I'd invest it in P3.
Well, that's very effective.
I could be cheeky and say, and I'd buy it. No, seriously. Yeah.
Philip, you're not allowed to say that. That's
if I weren't in Prologis, I'd be looking to get into Prologis in some shape or form. And that I say that seriously by way of, that movement in capital structure, getting into something that already stands and exists and is looking for a new and fresh source of capital might be the fastest way to get your money into a diversified portfolio that gives you the kind of risk-adjusted returns that you want. If it was a pure go out and acquire directly, giving me 500 million could be a dangerous thing because I might not do very well if I've only got 6 months in real truth. Because the reality is that's what happened in 2006 and 2007. There's 500 million, there's $1 billion. Don't really worry about fees, don't really worry about management, just tell me when you can get it out. And that's when the world started to go a little bit wrong. So I'd probably be a little bit more careful, and I'd suggest that I could get you some risk in Spain and Northern Italy, and I could get you some stable returns out of Germany and France, and the UK is probably a little bit expensive now, and I'd probably juice it by getting access to some of Poland.
Right, okay, thank you. Jean?
If I have to spend the 500 million during the year, I think it's an impossible mission because there is no good product available on the market. But I share the point of view of James regarding pre-development funding. But in fact, it's a commitment, and you are not spending the money right now. So, and even to have commitment of 500 million right now in Europe, it seems to be very difficult because it's not easy to find the good product with the good location.